How to fix a card was declined in PayPal. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. So before that, you need to check for your card information. Make sure that the billing address on your PayPal account matches exactly with the address associated with your card. Also confirm that your card is not expired, reported lost, or stolen. Second, you can easily contact your bank. PayPal will give you the contact number in your bank. Or you can just check out the help and support of PayPal. Make sure that your card have enough balance and the transaction amount is not over the spending limit. Now once you have checked for all of this, you can contact your bank. Sometimes the decline might be originated from your bank itself for some of the reasons such as insufficient fund or suspicion of fraud activity. Your bank can provide you with more details regarding the decline. Review your PayPal account. Check for your account for any restriction and resolve them if necessary, such as your spending limit. Once you have tried all of this, try a different method of payment. Once you do this, you will be able to solve your issue of your card being declined. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.